Let's play with A, B, C, D is a calf.
Hey friends, let's learn the alphabets A to Z today with me.
A for apple, shiny and red.
B for ball. B for ball. B for ball.
C for cat, soft and small. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
G for grapes.
H for hat.
I for ice cream.
J for juice. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey.
N for nest.
O for orange, juicy to eat. O for orange. P for parrot. Squawk! P for parrot.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit. S for sun, shining bright.
S for sun.
T for tiger.
U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. W for watch.
W for watch.
X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak, strong and big. Z for zebra.